Hey guys! Whenever temperatures go up and the sun comes out, spring comes around and summer, I always like to incorporate a little bit more color into my wardrobe, carefully. And I feel like a really cute way to do that is to wear a scarf in your hair. Now, I know I personally don't do this a lot, which is a shame because there are so many super cute ways you can wear a scarf in your hair. So today I wanted to share 4 really cute ways with you that you can easily incorporate a scarf into your hairstyle. So let's get started straight away with the first hairstyle. For the first style, I'm going to start by separating out 2 sections from the sides on the front of my head. So I'm gonna go from about just above my ear, I think, down to my ear. Separate that out. Do the same thing on the other side, like that. And then all of the remaining hair I'm going to gather into a low ponytail on the back of my head. Then next I'm going to take my scarf, and I'm using this long rectangular one for this hairstyle. And I'm going to kind of try to roll / fold it to make it a little bit thinner. Something like this. So I'm going to place that over my head and then tie it off down here underneath that ponytail. Just with a simple knot. Then I'm going to take my ponytail, slide it down just a little bit, the hair elastic. I'm gonna make a little hole in the top there and pull my ponytail through. Just like that. Pull it tight. And then I'm gonna take these pieces that I have in the front, I'm gonna swoop them back and actually pull them through here as well. Then I'm gonna take my scarf, pull it over my hair elastic in the front and tie it. Alright, then I'm just gonna tug at this part right here just above my ponytail ever so slightly to loosen the whole thing up a little bit, make it a bit more messy and more voluminous. And there's your first style all done. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to pull all of my hair back into a ponytail in the center of my head. So I'm just going to brush everything back. And again, it's my personal preference to make everything nice and big and messy, especially with these hairstyles with scarves. I feel like it just looks a little bit better, but it's all up to you how messy or neat you make this. Okay, when I've tied this, I'm going to take my scarf. I'm going to use this one, my beautiful Book of Kells scarf. And I'm going to take one of the sides, take the hair elastic right on the bottom here, and I'm going to pull my scarf through the hair elastic. Pull it to the bottom. Alright, so then I'm going to take my hair in one hand, the scarf in the other, and I'm going to wrap them around each other. Alright, and when I've done that, I'm going to twist this into a bun. I'm going to try and kind of tuck the ends of the scarf underneath the bun so that it doesn't cover my entire bun. So you should end up with something like this. And then I'm going to take a second hair elastic. I'm using one in a color that's similar to the color of the scarf. And I'm going to put that over my bun. I don't want to use bobby pins in this because I'm scared I will poke them into the scarf, so a hair elastic should work just fine. So then I'm going to take my second mirror here and gently just tug at wherever there is some hair poking out of my bun, just to kind of accentuate the hair a little bit more. And I'm also again just going to kind of loosen up my ponytail a bit. And there you go, there's the second style already done. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to turn around and split my hair in half so that I have 2 sections, and I'm going to tie each of these into a low ponytail so that I have one on each side. Now again, I don't want these to be too tight, so I am going to tug at the base here a little bit. So then I'm going to take another scarf and I'm going to use this one this time. It's a nice and long one again. And this time I am going to put it through the base. So I'm just going to make a little hole in this ponytail and put the scarf through that. Like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other ponytail on the other side. So again, make a little hole and take the scarf through. So then I'm going to make sure both sides are even. And then I am going to braid the scarves into the hair. So I'm going to start with one ponytail on this side. I'm going to split this into two, and the scarf is going to be my third section, as it were, for my braid. Then when I come to the end of my hair, I am going to tie this off with a little hair elastic. And then, as always, I am going to tug at the sides of my braid a little bit to make the hair a bit more voluminous and not be drastically thinner than the scarf, if that is at all possible. There we go, that's one side done. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, all the way down, then tie this off and fluff up my braid. Alright, so when I have my two braids, I'm going to turn around again. I'm going to cross these like that, bring them forward so that they meet right on the top of my head, and there I'm going to actually just tie these scarves together. And then what you do next kind of just depends on the length of your scarf. Mine is still really long. If yours is a little bit shorter, you could just tie it into a bow on top there. It looks pretty cute, but I still have a little bit of length left. So I'm just actually gonna go back and tie it down here. Just do a double knot again. And there you are. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to tie my hair into a low bun first. So right at the nape of my neck. And I'm actually just going to make one of those really quick messy buns by just pulling half of my hair through the elastic, gathering the rest, kind of scrunching it up, kind of pull at it like that, pull at the base as well. This is the silver lining for all of these hairstyles. Alright, so then I'm going to take my last scarf, which is going to be this one. And since this is a square scarf, I'm going to kind of roll it first. So I'm gonna place it on my head like that, then take it back, cross it underneath the bun, take it back to the top, cross it again, and again, depending on how long your scarf is, you want to do this however many times, and then you're gonna tie it on the top, so it makes two cute little points right there. I'm gonna tuck away this little point that I have in the front here. And that's it. This was the quickest and easiest of them all, and a really cute way to incorporate a little bit of color into your hairstyle. So those were all the hairstyles I wanted to share with you today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more hair tutorials. If you would like to support me on Patreon, there will be a link in the description box below. Thank you so much. There's another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!